So this is on page 17 on the slope packet, not the sketch the line. The other one, is everybody on this with me? Okay, the beauty of this is you already know how to do it. So I'd like your pencils down. Whoops. I would like your pencils down and you to just watch. This is writing equations. Do you remember doing that this year? Put your pencil down, Shania. I'm not really sure what you're doing, but we need to stop whatever it is. Okay, this is the same thing. Make sure you're paying attention. So I'm gonna read this. You can read it silently along with me. In order to join a dancing club, there is a $30 startup fee and a $4 monthly fee. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that models the situation. How much will it cost for a 1-year membership? First of all, you should be looking at the board, Caden. Okay? You have already done this year. Everybody close your eyes. Picture it. You are walking up to a dance studio. They're going to say, okay, that'll be $30 to start, and we're going to charge you $4 a month. Okay, so you're going to figure out how much it's going to cost you. All right, you can open your eyes. Slope-intercept form is this one. Y equals mx plus b. Sit up, Dalen. Y equals mx plus b. Okay? This is the same as we've done. So I'm going to write this, and then you're going to go, oh, yeah. So it's $30 startup and a $4 monthly. So $4 each month, right? Plus $30 to start. Don't make this hard. Do you remember doing this, writing equations?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, you can write that down. Now what we have done right here is this right here. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that models that situation. That's what we've done. Now the next question is, how much will it cost for a 1-year membership? How many months are in a year? 12. $4 monthly. Where do you think I put the 12? On the Y or on the X? On the X. So in order to solve this, 4 times 12 plus 30. Don't make it hard. You know how to do this. What's 4 times 12?
48.
48. And 48 plus 30?
78.
78. That's how much it's going to cost for a year membership at this dancing club. And that's it. You already know how to do this. This is why it should be pretty simple for you. Everybody got that written? All right, let's move on to number 2. Everybody reading number 2 with me. In order to join an online learning community, there is a $20 startup fee and a $5 monthly fee. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that models this situation. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Y equals, what do you think m is?
$5.
5x plus what?
20.
20. Write it down. Y equals 5x plus 20. If you are online and do not have this printed, you should be writing on notebook paper. And this says, what is the cost after 15 months? What represents the month? The Y or the X? The X. So it's going to be Y equals 5 times what?
5 times 15.
Plus 20. And then you just solve that. What's 5 times 15?
75.
75 plus 20 is $95. So is this hard?
No.
No. The hardest thing you're going to have to worry about is they're going to give you an amount instead of the months or the years or whatever the X stands for, which means you would plug it into where the Y goes. That's the hardest thing you're going to have to worry about. Look at number 3. In order to become a member of the Library All-Star Members Club, there is a $40 sign-up fee and a $2 monthly fee. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for that models the situation. Who would like to try that? Dalen, did you even read it? No. Were you playing with your ID or your phone?
Why?
Who would like to try it?
Me.
Caden, go.
Y equals 2x. Plus 40.
Perfect. Couldn't have done it better myself. Write it down. I say this isn't hard, guys, but if you don't pay attention, it will be hard. The question is, how many months have you been an all-star if you've paid $52? So now the X is the monthly. Where do you think the 52 goes?
Why?
Under the Y, that's right. 52 equals 2x plus 40. That is solving an equation. You've done this before. The only difference is it's flipped. Okay, it's flipped. So what do we do first? Subtract 40 from both sides. And so you're left with 2x equals what?
12.
12. What is your goal?
To get the months.
To get x by itself, right? So what are you going to do to do that?
Or divide by 2.
Divide both sides by 2.
6.
And that's going to give you
6.
6.
This is easy.
You do not have to flip them unless you want to. The only time you really have to flip them is when it's an inequality, and that's not what we're doing here. But if it helps you to flip it, put 2x plus 40 equals 52, by all means, flip it. Look at number 4. Use the equation in problem 3 to find the total cost of being an all-star library member for 19 months. What was our equation? Y equals
2x plus 40.
2x plus 40. So now where does the 19 go?
In the X.
Good. And 2 times 19? And 38 plus 40? 78. We good?
What about number 6?
Well, I'm on number 5.
Oh, sorry.
Suppose that a bike rents for $4 plus $1.50 per hour. There's your per. Write an equation, slope-intercept form that models the situation. Who would like to try? Dalen.
Y equals 4 X plus 4.
Perfect. Now, that's all you have to do, right? Number 6 says use the equation you wrote in problem 5 to complete the table. So this is for 2 hours. So it'd be y equals 1.5 times 2 plus 4. 1.5 times 2 is what? 3, and 3 plus 4?
7.
7. And then here you would do 1.5 times 4 plus 4. 6 plus 4, 10. And then 6 hours, 1.5 times 6 is 9 plus 4. And 1.5 times 8 is, what is it?
13.
What's 1.5 times 8, Shania?
What is what?
1.5 times 8.
That's what?
12 plus 4
Okay.
is 16. So you just fill it in. Everybody still with me? It's not hard. It's the same thing. We've already solved equations this year. Look at number 7. In order to join a yoga club, there is a $100 annual fee and a $5 fee for each class you attend. Each is your X, right? Write an equation in slope-intercept form that models the situation. Kyle.
Y equals 5x plus 100.
Perfect. This says how many classes can you attend for $225? The X represents the classes, so where do we put the 225?
I go Y to X.
And you know how to solve that, so go ahead and do it. What do you move first?
What is 100?
The 100. And what's 125 divided by 5?
55.
65.
25. That's why you work it out. All right, so we're going to stop at where we are right here, and we're going to move over to the other packet, the sketch the line. And we're going to look at the next page. This is going to be your assignment. It's going to be pages 4 and 5. Pages 4 and 5 on the sketch the line. I need everybody to look at number 2. Number 2. Suppose the water level of a river is 34 feet and that it is receding at a rate of 0.5 foot per day. Write an equation for the water level L after D days. In how many days will the water level be 26 feet? First of all, receding means to do what? Subtract. So I'm going to do this. Y equals negative 0.5x. And we started at what? 34. Okay, so the Y is the water level, and the X is the days. So I helped you write that equation. You can solve it on your own by reading the question. What pages are you going to have done tomorrow when you come in? 4 and 5. Pages 4 and 5. Keep going until the timer goes off, but pages 4 and 5. All of it. Right. Each equation must be written and filled in to get full credit for doing the assignment. Just answers will not be accepted. And remember something that we talked about yesterday? A mistake repeated over and over again is intentional. So don't not do your work and keep your faces.